Get ready to tone, strengthen and transform your lower body with this dynamic leg workout. This workout is designed to target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, which can help you build endurance, power, and sculpted legs. So, let's do this. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?
Rest. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning.
Rest. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Rest. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting.
Rest.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody
Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Rest. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Rest. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Rest. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Rest. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Rest.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.
Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Rest. Next exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. Last exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. Congratulations on completing this workout. You are so amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button so others who want to stay fit can find it. Also, hit that subscribe button to get updates on my future workout videos. See you on the next one. Cheers.